Hello, I'm Nolan, and in this series we'll cover a quick intro to TEAL. In this video, I'll be explaining the differences between the Approval and the ClearState TEAL programs. Every TEAL smart contract is comprised of two individual programs, the Approval Program and the ClearState Program. Both parts are required when deploying a smart contract. For almost every interaction a user makes to a smart contract, it will be the Approval Program that's going to be invoked. This includes regular application calls, opting in, closing out, updating, and even deleting the smart contract. The ClearState program, however, has a very specific use case and can be called when a user who is opted into the smart contract wishes to forcefully close out, reclaiming any minimum balance requirement that may have been allocated for local state storage. Whilst the TIL within the ClearState program can still fail, the transaction itself cannot, and will still be committed to a block and remove any local state from the user's account. It is not encouraged for users to call the ClearState program when wanting to leave a smart contract, and instead, smart contract developers should implement a clear way to close out using the Approval program. Nevertheless, it's an option that you must be aware of, as you cannot lock someone into a smart contract or rely on their local state storage being persistent. Here's an example of an Approval TIL program for a smart contract which uses global and local state. The concept is a simple counting program which increments a global state by 1 on each interaction. However, it requires all users to be opted in to have their calls counted. If a user decides to close out, then all of their calls will be removed from the global counter tally. I've separated the full Approval program into 3 parts, however they're a single continuous program. The code snippet on the left shows the different routing conditions based on the transaction's on-completion value. The code snippet in the middle shows the deployment branch, as well as the core no-op opt-in branch, which handles incrementing the counter. The code snippet on the right shows the closeout branch, which would be evaluated when a user wants to close out, or sometimes called opting out of the smart contract. And finally, the update delete branch, which only returns 1 when the sender is the original creator account. As mentioned, a user may still choose to forcefully call the ClearState program, which would bypass this program and cannot fail. So here, in this example ClearState program, we handle the reduction of the global counter by the amount they have in their local state before their local state is removed. Think of the ClearState as a way to perform housekeeping, making sure that your global data integrity stays valid and correct. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, have a great day.